sexy loves! Today, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo how and what I eat on a typical day. Bago ako mag-breakfast, I take my collagen capsules. Support yan para sa healthy digestion and good skin. Dati, hirap na hirap talaga akong lunukin to, pero ngayon medyo sanay na ako. Now, let's make our breakfast, which is actually brunch for me kasi I usually eat my first meal around 10 a.m. especially kapag late na nakatulog at nagising. Food is actually the first thing that comes to my mind pagkagising kasi food makes me happy. Pero ayokong tumaba, so I try to eat as healthy as much as I can. Dahil busy ako today, I need to prepare something quick and easy pero healthy like soup and tofu. So today, I'm having tofu and my favorite soup, which is crab and corn soup. Nagahalong tamis at alat and very comforting, low in calories pa. I always add 1 egg to this, hindi lang para mas masarap, kundi para na rin for some protein, pambalanse sa carbs, para mas healthy yung soup natin. To me, good food is all about balance. A balance between different food groups and a balance between taste and nutrition. Now, let's prepare our tofu. Tofu is nutritious pero it's like a blank canvas. In order to enjoy it, you have to give it a nice texture or make the sauce yummy. Gusto ko sa tofu, crispy on the outside, soft inside. This size is perfect. Para maging crispy ang tofu, all we need is some cornstarch seasoned with salt, pepper, and paprika. I just coat each piece of tofu with this, tapos ipa-fry ko na. Tuwing nagpa-fry pala tayo ng food, hindi naman lahat ng oil na a-absorb. So, kung ano lang yung nabawas, yun lang yung additional calories sa food mo. And Asian, di mawawala ang rice. Rice is healthy naman as long as you balance it with proteins and good fats. At dapat sakto lang yung dami. I always add some spring onions or leeks to my meal for added color and health benefits. Ang ganda, diba? Gutom na ako. I can't wait to eat this. Listen to this sound, guys. Grabe, ang crispy, no? Hay nako, satisfied na naman ako sa naimbento kong meal. Crispy tofu on rice lathered with thick and creamy crab and corn soup. After 30 minutes, I'd usually have my tea. Today, I'm having Beauty Me tea by the brand English Tea Shop. It's a blend of chamomile, rooibos, cinnamon, hibiscus, and beetroot which produce a pinkish red color. Kung ang mga Chinese ay may tea ceremony, ako naman may self-reflection time with tea. Di ko nga matandaan kung paano ko ba natutunan uminom ng tsaa, pero simula nung nakahiligan ko na siya talaga. Ikaw ba, gusto mo rin ba ng tea? Isang maulang hapon mga sexy loves. I really love the rainy weather. Ang lamig-lamig, ang fresh ng air. Dahil dyan, parang ang sarap mag-hot choco, diba? Sakto may binigay sa akin yung friend ko na buka pie from Laguna. Medyo mataas nga lang siya sa carbs, so in order to balance it out, I'm using my low-carb, low-calorie hot choco recipe, which is actually on my ebook for my drink. Tandaan mo yung bawat ingredient, ha? So you can make your own cafe-style drink, perfect for working at home. Mahilig akong tumambay sa mga cafes when I'm working on my contents because I love the cozy ambience and the sweets I get to munch on as I work. Pero pwede naman gawing coffee shop ang vibes ng bahay, diba? Especially with this simple homemade cafe mocha. This really helps me get in the zone. And this is my lemon and mint infused water which I'll bring for my sweat session. Yung coffee kanina, yun na yung pinaka pre-workout drink ko. I have a lot of energy to use from my brunch and merienda, so I'm ready for this. Let's do this! Pagkatapos mag-cardio, uhaw na uhaw ako palagi, and this drink is truly refreshing. Before I have my dinner, I'm taking my magnesium supplement para na rin sa digestion and good mood. For my dinner, lulutuin ko na lang yung natirang tofu kanina na hindi nagamit, but this time, I'll make it saucy and combine it with some veggies. I always try my best to get my daily dose of leafy greens kahit sa isang meal lang. Plus, canned mushrooms, which is my favorite. It's time to cook. Saute ko lang muna itong bawang, and then I'll add the mushrooms. And then I'll add the fresh frozen kangkong leaves or water spinach in English. Iuhuli ko yung tofu para ma-maintain niya kahit papano yung kanyang crispiness kahit nahaluan na siya ng sauce. Sesame seeds for the final touch, and this is for my dinner. Tofu with mushrooms and kangkong with sweet and sour sauce. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at this tofu. Thanks for watching mga sexy loves! Good night!